G'day folks, how you going? I'm Benno, welcome to the shed. Well, this is a bit of an unusual one. Is buying cheap tools actually worth the frustration, or is it better just to spend the extra couple $100 and buy something you know that's actually going to fit together properly? I've saved a couple $100 and I've got the frustration. I'll show you why. I bought an engine hoist and here it is, partially assembled, and I've come up against some really stupid roadblocks. Whoever put this kit together had never actually put it together, and it doesn't fit together properly. Damn, but you get that when you buy cheap shit. And the only reason I really need this at the moment, it's only a 1-ton hoist. The roller skate's got a toothache. It needs a new motor, so I need an engine hoist to lift it out. It's ready to lift out. I wasn't even going to bother making a video out of that, but I'm going to make a video out of why this kit is so crap. Before I actually start making modifications to this kit, I'll show you. It goes together. The idea is pretty simple. It's one of the legs. Bolt goes through there. Then, so that bolt that lifts up and down. It allows you to store the thing. This pin goes through there. Won't bloody well go through. Why is that? This hole is in the wrong spot. It just pisses me off. Companies selling this crap. Supposedly reputable companies.
It's the heads of these bolts here that are creating the interference. Well, they're not really, they're in the right spot, but you know, should have been. I've used some shorter bolts under as well, replaced the originals with some shorter ones because they were interfering with the swivel of the caster. Now there's plenty of clearance.
So this is off center. They don't meet. That's as low as it's going to go. The only thing I can think of is to make some clearance, and I've already marked these. It's to drill some holes so these bolt heads can actually sit recessed inside. I'm not impressed. All right, so I'll get this out of the road. The legs are marked up. I've got to make some modifications. I'll mark my centres. Try that again. Definitely need to make them a lot bigger. Look at that. Sort of doing what it's supposed to do. Let's do the other side.
So from here on, the GoPro failed to record any audio. Gotta love fit for purpose tools. So as if by magic, the other side's done. Might actually fit. We'll just slip this leg in and whack the pin in. If I can find it. There it is. Slip it in and look at that. Fits. You beauty. Now I can actually finish putting this damn thing together.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain.
Works, it goes up and down. There are a few things I'm not overly impressed with. There's other things, apart from the clearance problems. The stays here hold the legs up for when you're storing this thing. Don't line up. That's handy. Overall quality of this thing, I give it 4.5 out of 10. It's not brilliant. It's not well made. That some of these, oh, there we go. There's another problem. I'm gonna have to grind them off. The hardware that was supplied with it. That's not good. This one here is one that I put in. That's not factory, or yeah, from the original. These ones here that it's hitting. Yep, I'm just gonna have to grind the ends off of them so that they work properly. Yeah, it's actually a little bit disappointing, but it is what it is. It's a cheap piece of shit. It'll do the job. I hope it doesn't fail on me. Or I'm trying to hoist a motor out. Who knows what's going to happen there. So in answer to the question I posed right at the start, is it worth buying cheap tools like this, or is it worth? Are you better off really just spending an extra couple $100 and getting something that actually fits together? Well, I suppose the answer to that question, if you're prepared to put a bit of time into it and make some modifications and make the thing into a serviceable unit, fit for use, fit for purpose, which this wasn't straight out of the box. So I've had to do a fair bit of mucking around. I've still got to do a few more bits and pieces, like, you know, making these valves. All right. I've just noticed these are 2 different size buddy wheels. That's handy. Doesn't say anything about that in the instructions. So the instructions are really crap as well. The assembly instructions tell you nothing. Well, so before I actually use this thing, there's still a few more things to do. I'm going to have to swap these wheels around because I don't know which ones are in the wrong spots. There's going to be a bit of trial and error. So I'll pull them off and swap them around to see what happens. Anyway, is it worth buying? If you're prepared to put the time in, yes. If you just want something straight out of the box that you can assemble and start using straight away, definitely not. If you've made it to the end of this video, good on you. Once again, I've probably bored the shit out of you. But if you do like it, give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, and that's it. Catch you later. Bye.